Hello Powerhouse Farm, I'm Janet Wamaitha, Lifestyle Powerhouse. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am feeling myself. It is a shopping haul video and I want to do it very fast, yeah, so that I can actually feed my baby. I guess you now guys are used to me saying my baby. So guess what? I am going to shock you today. This whole shopping that you're going to see right now, I have used only 1,200 shillings. By the way, I'm not lying. If you want me to show you my M-Pesa message, I have used only 1,200 shillings. Yes, ask me where I went to do shopping. So, before I proceed, I want to show you, you can show them first, but before I proceed, I want to notify you that I prefer shopping weekly in regards to adding the things that were somehow, coming to, is it going to an end or coming to an end or coming into completion? Videographer, assist me. I don't, at the moment I'm not shopping monthly, yeah, so I shop on a weekend basis. So kama ni nyanya zinaenda kuisha naenda nikiongezea, kama ni nini, plus I like to play around with different things in different weeks. So if we were taking a lot of manago, this week I want a lot of cabbage. Next week, if it was a lot of omena, a lot of liver now, a lot of, I like to play around. But let me show you let me show you very fast. I want to show you as I put on the basket. So as you can see, this one had tomatoes, but tomatoes are coming to an end. Hapo mtaniambia na kusema coming to an end or what. But now, guess what? All these tomatoes is 100 shillings. All this, it's 100 shillings. And by the way, I'm not washing at the moment while I put them here. Tazieka tu. Cause for now nitazieka tu hivyo. I'll wash them later. You can imagine all that is 100 shillings. Then we go to vitungu. By the vitungu, I like to place them in a place where inapata air. Somewhere like this, So, for an instance, I don't have those 2 bags of putting there. So meanwhile, then we have fruits. Our baby has to take fruits every single day. And I play around with fruits in regards to weeks. So this particular week, he's going to take a lot of oranges and banana, mango, and passion fruit. Last week, it was a lot of pawpaw and avocado, and daisy. So I like to play around like that. Another week, it will be apples, grapes, and what. That's how I maximize him taking different fruits on different times. Yeah, so that's how I play around with fruit. I want to put nini hapa. So you can ask me how much is this. I will definitely tell you. Then in his food, there has to be carrots. His food has to have carrots every single time. Carrots, spinach, that is a daily thing. So tuko na viazi. I'm looking for a bag. Let me show you why I'm removing like this. I'm looking for a bag like this one, so that I do this. Ndo niweze kuweka sasa hizo viazi. Naelewa? I have to do something like this. But they tell me in the comment section, what can I be placing hivyo? Ndo naziweka. Then this is 100 shillings. Can you imagine? I don't like him. I don't like when he takes a lot of viazi. but viazi na playing around nazo from time to time. Yeah, then hizi na hizi. Yeah, so hizi actually ni maajabu tu tumepata hapo. Ni maajabu tumepata wako nazo. This place, these things ziuisha mapema sana. Plus for ngwashe and ndoma, my mom normally brings for us ngwashe and ndoma. So by the way, if you have any order of ndoma and ngwashe, you tell me in the comment section. My mom normally sells them. Yeah, but saa zile hana mzigo, we just have to purchase from other places. Then spinach is for baby. Spinach is for baby. Spinach I'll put somewhere else. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. Then, then we have cabbage. Okay, I'll just arrange them later after nimeshawaonyesha, because yeah, I don't want to take a lot of time. We have cabbage over here. Hey, cabbage ni nzito sana, and ebu guess a cabbage ni how much? This cabbage is 80 shillings. Yeah, then we have eggs, but eggs is mostly for me in this house. I think I'm the only person who likes eggs, because baby, we don't like to give him eggs all the time. We maximize on other things, like getting protein from meat, liver, omena, nini, or even cereals, you know, rather than eggs. Eggs mostly nakwanga ni nini, but I'm forcing his dad now to be liking eggs. But he gets yoki kitu when he takes a lot of eggs. So eggs nakwanga mostly ni kama ni zangu. Uwe, namwagika. I've restocked on rice also. Oi. Guys, disaster management. I've restocked on rice also and yellow beans. So this week we are going to focus mostly on yellow beans and njahe. Last week it was green grams and lentils. So that's how I play around. Different week with different things. I want to eat it with avocado right now. Guess what? I have found another lady selling hizi spices zenye zinapimwa, and let me tell you, sijui hata gani ni gani. By the way, mimi nimemwambia tu paprika nini what by the way, I think I'll have to, I don't know what I'll do to know which one is which one, because nimeona ko busy sana, akona customers wengi, so nikakuwa like, yo, by the way, sasa aki when she starts writing me names, I'll lose all customers wote. So hey babe, I want you to help me now to know what is what. So I've just bought sijui masala, garama masala, sijui green tea, sijui what. It's a lot. Tea masala. So yeah, all this, they're just random spices. I've seen that is somehow affordable for me, because kama naweza chukua 2020 and there's a lot. So wacheni nizipange vizuri, then muone everything nikiwa nimetengeneza. Yeah, but imagine all these things, I've told you how much. So ask me on the comment section where I bought. Okay, amebonda avocado, anakalia avocado. So let me just show you an overview. Now this is this week's eggs that I'm going to consume. Mostly I'm the one who takes eggs, but I normally cook pancakes also with them. So yeah, these are njahe ndo tunakula hii wiki. Then the greens, yellow beans. So at times nini, oh my god, yeah, these are the fruits, but I will put them somewhere else in a tray or something to get air. Yeah, then this is just the rice that we are going to eat. some of the carrots for baby for this week. Hizi ndo atatumia hii wiki in his food. Every day his meal has to have carrot. Those are the kitungu, the tomatoes, the ngwashe, and the potatoes, and the cabbage. Yeah. And yeah, all these things I'm telling you guys I've bought at only 1,200 shillings. And now these my spices that I'm showing you. Let me tell you, ever since I delivered baby, I've become such of a saver. I just like to save on literally every single thing that I can be able to save on, so that na yeye money marketing inajaa pesa yake ya school fees and everything that he will need, because that is really important, you know. For me, okay, I'm saying money marketing because for me, putting money there is more important, because I don't end up withdrawing, you know. And see later M-Pesa 1 minute. Yeah. Some of the shopping I'm going to buy also, I guess you've seen on this video, or it will be the next video. I don't know which one I'll post first. But yeah, that's how I get to save. So please tell me in the comment section also, do you buy monthly shopping? Do you buy shopping in bulk, like for monthly? Do you buy weekly, like on Sundays like me? Do you buy daily? Yeah, because I know those people who will go buy like daily the things that they will need. But of course, at the end of the day, there are some things I'll still end up buying daily. Because let's say we are taking meat. Yeah, let's say that day we are taking, let's say, ugali, nyama, and let's say greens. Of course, I'll end up buying that greens for that particular day. Kwa mama mboga nikatiwe. And the nyama daily also, because I don't have a fridge. Let's say, you know, at the end of the day, there are those things you'll buy daily, but the general things of like things that you know very well are going to be consumed on that particular week, I normally just purchase like this on a weekly basis. Yeah, but I'm open to any comments, anything, any advice, please tell me, and I will really appreciate. Check out my t-shirt, by the way. I've stolen Babe's t-shirt. And yeah, you don't have to look bad, by the way, because you're a postpartum mom also. This is how I still get to glow while I'm on the house. Yeah, and guess what? These days, but that video, watch on the next one. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is, let me just leave you with this tip. Try to reset your week. I hope you've watched the video I already uploaded on Monday. Yeah, resetting in regards to set pace of your week. I normally set pace for my kitchen like this. Yeah, I normally set pace for my clothing areas, you know, in regards to now buying that part of the supermarket shopping, like the soap, the what for that particular week, you know. So reset your week. Don't just start the week like no. What are you going to eat on Monday? Breakfast, lunch, supper, Tuesday, Wednesday, meat. I navigate like that, because when I don't have that in my mind or planned, those kind of people, you will ask me, what are we going to eat today? And I forget everything that people eat in this entire universe. You know, I go blank. The nanny I had, anytime she used to ask me, leo tunakula nini, I used to go blank. Mpaka I ask her, by the way, tunakulanga nini? Because it doesn't work like that for me. For me, I have to know, today it's chapati, you know, tomorrow it's this, you know, evo. Plus, I am working on healthy foods. Plus, we like to go, we have gone back to introducing going out on weekends also. So just that particular night that we are going out, that's when we can only maximize on junk. Yeah, but these other days we are literally maximizing on healthy foods. So that's me, how I'm building my home, and I like it. So please, that was it. And I am Janet Wamaitha on all social media platforms. Please comment, like. When you like this video, I will really appreciate, because it helps YouTube promote this video to different people, and I get to grow, and that makes me so happy and motivated to create more videos for you also. Yeah, so cheers, bye. Oh, 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 oh. Hey. By the way, I have forgotten to tell you how I ended up doing weekly shopping. But I used to be the kind that go do a whole monthly shopping. I ended up realizing that is not working for me until the moment I'm gonna get a fridge. Yeah, until the moment I'm going to get some of those things that can keep those things that I'm purchasing in bulk to stay longer. That I realized it's not working for me, because I used to buy like so many tomatoes. At the end of the day, zimaribika pa zote. I buy carrots, zimaribika. I buy hoho, zimaribika. So me, that's how I ended up settling for weekly, because I like to live according to, I don't like pressure. Me, by the way, if there's something I don't like, it's pressure. And that's why for me, I don't care. I'm a don't care, in the sense of I live life according to how I see fit for myself, not according to how people live, or I don't like when I put pressure on myself to buy the shopping of monthly, and I know very well me, I don't have a fridge to sustain those things. Then when they end up spoiling, it will be double amount for me to go back and purchase them again. Yeah, so yeah, that's me. I know some of the people can be asking themselves, why weekly, why what? That's how I ended up doing. Yeah, that's how I ended up settling for this. But in future, or very soon, I know God is going to bless me with fridge, and I am going to think about going back to monthly, or even not. Yeah, so mimi naweza ongea kwa hii video jamani. Yeah, so please, that's it.